Welcome to my channel. Tenda Nova MW6. 1. Unbox and position. Remove the Tenda Nova MW6 units and power adapters from their packaging. Place the primary unit in a central location for best coverage and the additional units in areas where you need to extend the signal. 2. Connect primary unit. Plug the primary unit into a power outlet and connect it to your modem or existing router using an Ethernet cable provided in the box. 3. Download the app. Install the Tenda Wi-Fi app on your smartphone from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 4. Open the app. Launch the app, and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials to begin the setup process. 5. Set up the primary unit. Use the app to set up the primary unit by following the on-screen instructions to configure your network name, SSID, and password. S to begin the setup process. Six. Power up additional units. Plug in the additional Nova MW6 units to power outlets in different areas of your home where you want to extend Wi-Fi coverage. 7. Pair additional units. In the app, follow the instructions to add and pair each additional unit with the primary unit, ensuring they are correctly connected to your network. 8. Check coverage. Use the app to test the Wi-Fi signal strength in various parts of your home to confirm that the additional units are providing adequate coverage. 9. Connect devices. Connect your Wi-Fi-enabled devices to the newly set up network and ensure they have a stable internet connection. 10. Update firmware. Check the app for any available firmware updates for the Nova MW6 units and apply them. Thank you for watching.